February 2nd, 2013. Katie is the archaeologist which she found the dinosaur egg, and she broke into the egg, and this is what she found. Some kind of dinosaur or something, which we still gonna find out what kind of creature is that. Katie is digging into that slowly. Katie, watch your finger.
I know.
Watch out.
You said that one time I'm going to kick your butt. Yeah, that's all I'm going to do.
And we are looking into that. Slowly, slowly. Watch your finger.
I know. I know everything.